If you're looking to practice golf in your backyard, you might want to try out these. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You like to golf, but it's not always convenient to get out to a driving range to go to the golf course, and so you want to hit some balls in your backyard. And we've always kind of made compromises on that in the past, kind of using plastic golf balls, plastic wiffle balls, those types of things, and they don't really give you the feel of hitting a real golf ball. Well, enter this. This is Almost Golf balls. I picked up this little 10-pack of golf balls right here, and basically you can use these in your backyard, and they are supposed to do a few things for you. One, they're going to give you the look of a real golf ball. Take a look at that. That kind of looks like a real golf ball. At a glance, everything looks about right. The color is about right, the dimple pattern is right, but if you look really closely at the plastic, you can see some crinkles in it and stuff like that. So the outside of it looks like a golf ball. That'll help you when you are addressing the golf ball. And the outside is actually pretty firm. So the covering on this is kind of like plastic, but it doesn't quite feel like that DuPont polymer that's on a real golf ball. It feels a little bit thinner and a little bit softer, but it's still pretty hard. And then I'm kind of guessing that the inside is filled with some sort of compressible foam, almost like memory foam. They have a little bit of weight, but are much lighter than a regular golf ball. Now, I think this is going to do a couple of things. One, I think you're going to get the click, the sound, and maybe even the feel of hitting a real golf ball when you're hitting these in your backyard. But it's certainly going to help your address. And I think because of the way they're shaped, dimples and all, that they might even react like a real golf ball, just going half the distance. So let's say we were hitting a 100-yard shot and this goes 30, 40 yards, but you put a slice on it, maybe these will slice as well, or maybe these will draw as well. I've also seen some videos where guys are using these for like backyard golf courses. They're kind of setting up their own chipping hole and things like that and just playing with guys, and because they don't fly that far, they are kind of being able to construct a homemade golf course. Now, I want to see how far these will fly and how they feel compared to real golf balls. So let's get outside and try them out. Out in my backyard, I've only got about 30 or 40 yards that I can actually hit my Almost golf balls. I've got a few out here right now, and I'm really kind of curious to see what they feel like and how they fly. So right now, I'm just going to hit a couple and see what they do when I connect with them. My grass is like long rough at the moment. Oh, they actually fly quite a bit further than I actually thought they would. That one went probably about 30 yards. Compared to a birdie ball, these fly much, much further. So I'll put that one down into the grass there a little bit. And again, you don't have the sensation of hitting a golf ball. There isn't a big clink like when you hit a real golf ball. So you're kind of missing that, but you do hear a little bit of that dink when you hit these. Now, I am kind of curious if you can shape your shots like this so that if you do have a tendency, you actually are practicing your swing, you can actually see that reflected in the ball flight. So first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to open up my club head so that I can put a little bit of a intentional fade on this and see if we can slice it and see if that's reflected in the golf shot here. Probably not the greatest demonstration there since I hit the tree. Let's try it again. I'm gonna aim a little more right and then open up the club head. Kind of going straight. Club face open here. All right. I wouldn't say it curves as much as it takes off in that direction. You do get a little bit of the feedback of where your golf shot would tend to go with these, which is kind of cool. I want to just see if I can draw this one. I'm going to aim right and see if I can draw it back to the center here. See if we're really shaping those shots or not. So I'm going to close up the club face here and kind of aim to the right. See if we can draw it back around. Well, I'd say it doesn't show a lot of that shape, and it kind of went straight, maybe just a smidge of a draw. So you aren't getting quite the exaggeration you are on the shot that you would with a real golf ball. I don't think there's enough spin or speed with these golf balls to really reflect that, but they do feel pretty good and they do look like golf balls. So if you want to go out and just practice in your backyard, I'd say maybe these are the best ones I've tried yet. If you want to pick up golf balls, you can get them anywhere. But if you want to pick up Almost golf balls, I'll put a link to them in the description. Peter Von Panda, out. They have a little bit of weight, but they have a little bit of weight.